Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. With work on Everton's new stadium scheduled to be completed by the end of the calendar year and the first team set to play their first competitive game by the banks of the Mersey in less than 18 months' time, progress on the Blues' future home is continuing at pace. The laying of the pitch should begin next month, while more than 30,000 of the total 52,888 seats have already been installed in a process due to be completed this summer. From the heritage features carefully restored around the footprint of the site to those snapshots of its surroundings, this is Liverpool past and present. Progress really is rattling along. As of the start of this week, 30,000 blue seats have been laid, turnstiles are in place. Glass has been installed all around the magnificent south stand, and even the cavernous space for the home dressing room has been cored out. There are 1,200 people working on the site on the day we visit, and it has been that way since January. On some levels, supporters will be able to navigate the concourses of the north, east and south stands, meaning friends and family can meet up inside the stadium even if their seats are opposite each other. That gives almost everyone the opportunity to take in the stunning views out of the back of the south stand towards the Royal Liver Building and the historic landmarks this new stadium has already joined.